5 insane and funny animals that will make you amaze. The axolotl is a salamander that can regenerate lost limbs and has a permanent smile on its face. The star-nosed mole has a nose that looks like a flower with 22 tentacles that are sensitive to touch. The blobfish is a deep-sea fish with a face that looks like a sad, droopy blob. The pink fairy armadillo has a pink armored shell and can bury itself in seconds. The mantis shrimp has a punch that's faster than a bullet and can see colors beyond human imagination.